Viewers, let's begin with the breaking news. This is regarding Udaipur Files, the movie. It will not be blocked. The Supreme Court has cleared the decks for the film's release. The movie is, remember, on the Kanhaiya Lal murder case. It was to be released, but it faced a setback. Jamiat and the ecosystem had objected to the film's release. Now the top court of the country refusing to stay the film's release. The Supreme Court clearing the decks for the release of the film Udaipur Files. This, remember, is a movie that is based on beheading of the tailor Kanhaiya Lal in Udaipur. The Supreme Court has refused to stay the release, which a lot of groups and individuals had asked for. The Supreme Court was hearing a plea by one of the accused, Mohammad Javed, who said that the release will affect a fair trial in the case. But refusing to give urgent hearing, Supreme Court vacation bench said, and in fact mentioned the matter before the regular bench after the SC reopens on the 14th of July. That's the latest that is coming in. And let me go across to my colleague Harish, who's getting us more on this. Harish, a relief for the filmmakers of Udaipur Files. What more happened in the top court? What did it say while saying that we will not stay the release of Udaipur Files?
Yes, good morning. It's, as you rightly said, a big relief for the makers of the movie Udaipur Files. The Supreme Court vacation bench was hearing an urgent mentioning by the lawyer for Mohammad Javed, one of the accused in the Kanhaiya Lal murder case of June 2022. Pertains to the beheading of Kanhaiya Lal by two Islamist radicalist elements. So Mohammad Javed's lawyer contended that release of this film at this juncture, when the trial is progressing, will affect his right to fair trial and will also prejudice the case against him by forming an opinion in the mind of the people, and also said that the person is innocent until proved guilty. But the Supreme Court said you can mention this matter post July 14, when the Supreme Court reopens after the summer break. But the lawyer said that the whole issue will become infructuous because I am thinking a stay on the release, which is scheduled for July 11th. That is a day after tomorrow. But Justice said that no, we will not interfere at this juncture and let the film be released. So these words from the Supreme Court coming in as a big relief for the makers of the movie. And this hearing, the all important hearing in the Supreme Court, the Superior Court, happens on a day when the Delhi High Court is also set to hear a petition, separate petition filed by the Jamiat Ulema-e-Hind, which has said that the narrative in the movie claimed to be a true incident is completely inflammatory and divisive and can cause communal tension across the country. But now, since the Supreme Court, the Superior Court, has cleared the decks for the release of the movie on scheduled July 11th, we'll have to wait and watch what stand the Delhi High Court will take when the matter comes up before it. And it's very important that Delhi High Court is also hearing a petition filed by Jamiat Ulema-e-Hind against the release of the movie and seeking a stay. So Supreme Court very clearly saying it will not order a stay of the release of the movie, and it can get released on July 11th, the scheduled date, that is day after tomorrow. And any mentioning of this case...
Thanks very much for joining us at the moment, getting us all those details. Of course, we'll keep getting our viewers the latest on this.